Hello, I'm OlgaZ Moodle and I want to show you how to use the Teachers practice area on the Moodle platform. After I got enrolled in the teacher practice area, I turned the editing on by pressing the green button here. You can see that it is red now. It's because I have already pressed it. So if you want to see how to enroll, you can watch another video. There are pretty many of them. So I already opened the topic. It's number 8, and I already wrote my name and even added some activities. But don't you worry, I will show you how I did that. If you scroll a bit down, you will see the signature, add an activity or resource. As you click on it, a wonderful list of very different activities will appear right in front of you. I watched and read all of them. Once you click on this or that, a description is offered to you on your right. If the description is not enough to you, you can even press for more help and read more detailed information. Unfortunately, as far as I understand, right now we can't create any games or activities because we have no rights. Well, see, crossword, yeah? Even if I press add, it will just show me how it must be, how it must look when I have the rights. You see, I may choose the name of the crossword, like, for example, irregular verbs. Or it can be, I don't know, if you use a book, a paper textbook, it can be, for example, the name of the textbook. Activate B1, Unit 2 vocabulary. And the crossword is on Unit 2 of the textbook. Anyway, regular verbs, yeah. You can choose the sort of questions. It can be questions, glossary, or quiz. Well, you see some blended learning, selective. There is an activity listed, glossary. I think it has to do with the glossary. Anyway, you can choose lots of things. Unfortunately, you can see I can't now. Okay, because I have limited rights, you see. I can even choose the number of attempts. Okay. Unfortunately, I can't create a word list or insert it, export it, import it. Anyway, I'll try to edit. Unfortunately, as long as well, anyway, you can see, yes, that when probably have manager's rights, I will be able to, the word list and the real crossword will appear. Anyway, this was a game, but let me show the resources. If you scroll down the large list of activities, you will see the resources. There are not so many of them, but enough. So a book enables you to upload a very big file with lots of pages, as well as text and sounds and video. A file is better for a short document. Folder, it's a folder of files, yeah, so a few files probably connected with one another. This is for zip, folders, zip, yeah, folder in the zip format. Label is a very good button. With the help of it, I typed my name. I will show you in a minute. Lightbox gallery enables you to create, well, to upload the photos. You can also allow students to write comments, or you may ban comments. Page, it's a web page which you can create. Poster, you know, it's like online board with blocks of information. It's like in the classroom a board where you can write things, or you can attach with the help of magnets, for example, some papers, posters. This is the same, but online. You can add lots and lots of different blocks of information, media on this poster. And the last URL enables you to write lots of links in websites. You see, you can provide a web link as a course resource. Well, let me just show you very quickly how I can do something like this. So I press on the folder, I write a name again, irregular verbs. Explanation here. These activities aim at verbs practice. Okay, something like that. And then probably I am supposed to add the file, the number of files, which I can't do. But anyway, this appears here on the menu. The only problem is that I can't, let's see, regular verbs here, a folder like this, is that you are probably supposed to write, to place all these files in a nice way, so a sort of design must be appealing to your students. Something that I'm not good at. But let's try anyway. There is in resources, remember, there is a button label. If you press on it, you can write different things. For example, like introduction. Let's be friends. We are irregular verbs. Insert a smile, or you can insert a picture, yes, here, and you can make it very big and even colored, and then you save it to course, and you can place this signature wherever you want by pressing this. You see, I can move it around. It can be actually at the beginning. You see it's at the beginning now. So you can also divide the text between all the items to make it maybe more comfortable and easier to use. Well, in the same way, you can add all sorts of activities and resources, and that's very nice and comfortable. I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye.